Given a square matrix A, the inverse of A is a square matrix B, so that A times B equals I, where I stands for the identity matrix. Now the identity matrix is the matrix of the correct size. It's a square matrix with ones along the diagonal and zeros elsewhere. So this is the identity of a 2 by 2 matrix. The identity of a 3 by 3 would be the same idea but with a 3 by 3 matrix. So it has ones along the diagonal and zeros elsewhere. So in order to check whether two matrices are inverses, we multiply them together and see if we get the identity matrix. So for example, in example 1, are the following matrices inverses? To determine that, we'll multiply A times B. And since these are 2 by 2 matrices, if we get I as the answer, that means that they are inverses. So there's A and this is B. And remember, to multiply matrices, we multiply rows of the first by columns of the second. So the first entry of the answer matrix will be 1 times -1 plus 2 times -3. That's in the top left spot. And then the top right spot would be this row by this column. 1 times -2 is -2 plus 2 times -4 is -8. And then second row, first column, 3 times -1 is -3, and 4 times -3 is -12. And then second row, second column, 3 times -2 is -6, plus 4 times -4 is -16. And you might already be able to see that we do not get the identity matrix here. In the top left we have -7, top right we have -10, bottom left -15, and bottom right -22 when we add those entries together. So this is not the identity matrix, so are these matrices inverses? No. Okay, let's try this second example. Are the following matrices inverses? Again, we're going to multiply them together. So multiply A, 1, -1, -4, 5, by B, which is 5, 1, 4, 1. Again, using the rows and columns process. So first row by first column would be 1 times 5, which is 5, plus -1 times 4 is -4. And then first row, second column, 1 times 1 is 1, -1 times 1 is -1. Okay, second row, first column, -4 times 5 is -20, and 5 times 4 is +20. Second row, second column, -4 times 1 is -4, and 5 times 1 is 5. Now adding these spots together, 5 plus -4 is 1, 1 plus -1 is 0, -20 plus 20 is 0, and -4 plus 5 is 1. So you can see that we do get the identity matrix I when we multiply A and B together. That means that these two matrices are inverses.